Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.4.7 LTS version on Fedora Linux 42. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to MySQL official website. It is mysql.com. Click on downloads, then click on MySQL community downloads, then click on MySQL community server. Then select the version. See here we have the 8.4.7 LTS. If you are unable to find the version, click on archives. There you will find all older versions. Then select operating system as Fedora. Then select OS version 42 because I am on Fedora Linux 42. So select it. See, once we selected it, populated the list of the RPM packages that needs to be downloaded and execute. But instead of downloading each package, just to download this RPM bundle. Click on download. See, download started and its size is about 836 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will enter this star file and we will install MySQL Server 8.4.7. Okay, this will take time. I am going to pause this video. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads. See here we have the MySQL Server tar file. We have to untar it. tar-accept, then MySQL, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire tar file name. Hit enter. See here we have the list of the RPM packages. We have to execute them to install MySQL Server 8.4.7. So run the command sudo rpm -ivh, then -no deps, means no dependencies, star.rpm. This command will install all RPM packages from the current directory. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See here there is already a package MariaDB connector C. Okay, first we have to uninstall it. So remove it, copy it, sudo dnf remove, then paste that file name. Hit enter. It is typo. Type and hit enter. See, Ctrl L. Now run same this installation command. See, this time we are installing without any errors. We have successfully installed. Ctrl A. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, this won't work. We have to give D. Suppose if you give MySQL, it won't work. So we have to give D. Hit enter. See, MySQL Server is installed, but it is not started. And also it is enabled. Okay, Q to quit. So start it. We have successfully started. Now verify the status again. Sudo systemctl status MySQL D. See, MySQL Server is running and it is enabled. Okay, Q to quit. Ctrl A. Now connect to MySQL Server. But to connect to MySQL Server, we must have the password of MySQL user account. We don't have any MySQL user account. Either it may be normal user or root account. Okay, but we can get the MySQL user temporary password by going to sudo /var log mysqld.log grep password. See, this is the temporary root account password. See here, a temporary password is generated for root account. Okay, so this is not same for you. So copy this one. Now set the permanent password for root account. Sudo mysql _secure _installation. Provide this temporary password, paste it, hit enter. Now set the permanent password. Remember this password, later we need this password. Now I don't want to change again. No. Remove anonymous users. Yes. Disallow root login remotely. No. Remove database and access to it. Yes. Yes. See, all done. We have successfully set the password for MySQL root account. Okay. Now connect to MySQL server. MySQL-u root-p. Then provide the password that we have set for this root account. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server 8.4.7. You can also verify the version of the MySQL server by running select version. See, we got the same. Now verify list of databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create database. Now verify the same. See, we have created database bank. Now switch to this database and create a table. So switch to database, we have to run the command use is the keyword, then provide the name of the database. See, database change. Now verify list of tables in this database. Show tables. See, we don't have any tables. Let us create table. Create table. See, we have created table in bank database. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we will create user. Before that, verify list of users. So users, this won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running see, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create user. Now verify the same. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to MySQL server with this new user. And also here whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is a password. So MySQL-u, new username is David-p. As I tell you, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. So provide that password. See, we have successfully connected. Now verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have connected to MySQL server 8.4.7 by using the user David. Now try to access the database that is created. See, access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. Exit. Until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line client. We can also connect MySQL server by using MySQL Workbench or DBeaver. Those are the most popular tools. Okay, you can search for my YouTube channel how to install DBeaver or MySQL Workbench on Fedora Linux operating systems. Now we will see how to start and restart MySQL server on Fedora Linux 42. Sudo systemctl Ctrl-L stop MySQL. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is stopped. You can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. See, we are unable to connect. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is started 2 seconds ago. If you took it, Ctrl-L. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart MySQL. Now verify the status. See, we have restarted 2 seconds ago. Okay, we have successfully installed ls. These files are not required anymore. Remove them. rm star.rpm. This command will delete all rpm packages. ls. See, here we have one more file. Remove it. rm mysql. Then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill enter tar file name. Hit enter. ls. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install, configure MySQL server 8.4.7 on Fedora Linux 42. Okay, for more MySQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.